I bet you didn't know how powerful Microsoft Excel really is. Let's dive into its magic together. Imagine having a tool that can transform a jumble of numbers into meaningful insights. That's Microsoft Excel for you. Developed by Microsoft, this powerful spreadsheet application is part of the Microsoft Office suite. It helps you organize, format, and calculate data with ease using a grid of rows and columns. Picture this. In a bustling office, employees are crunching numbers, while in a classroom, students are learning the ropes of data management. Excel is everywhere. In the corporate world, it's a go-to for financial analysis, budgeting, and forecasting. In schools, it's a fantastic tool for teaching data management and statistics. Think about it. Whether you're tracking your expenses or making big business decisions, Excel is your trusty sidekick. Financial analysts use it to build detailed models, and business managers rely on it to track performance and generate reports. Excel is like a superhero for data. It can handle massive amounts of information and make it easy to understand. With its powerful tools, you can sort, filter, and visualize data, making it a breeze to spot trends and patterns. Whether you're a student, a business professional, or just someone who loves being organized, Excel is your best friend. It offers a wide range of functions, from simple data entry to complex analysis. Imagine you're running a small business. You need to keep track of inventory, sales, and customer information. Excel can help you manage all these tasks efficiently, saving you time and effort. You can create detailed spreadsheets to monitor your sales, expenses, and profits. With Excel, you have a clear view of your financial health, helping you make informed decisions. And that's not all. Excel offers advanced features like PivotTables for summarizing large data sets quickly, and conditional formatting to highlight important information. It can even create stunning charts and graphs to help you visualize your data. These visual tools make it easier to present your findings, whether in a business meeting or a classroom presentation. By using Excel's charting capabilities, you can turn raw data into meaningful insights. This makes it easier to see trends and patterns, driving better decision-making. In education, students use Excel to analyze data for projects, create presentations, and learn about math and statistics. Teachers also use it to track student progress and manage classroom data. It's a valuable tool for learning skills that are useful in many careers. From engineering to marketing, proficiency in Excel is often a key requirement for many job roles. Overall, Microsoft Excel is an essential tool for anyone who works with data. Its versatility and powerful features make it suitable for a wide range of applications, from simple data entry to complex financial modeling. Its ability to organize, analyze, and present information makes it invaluable in today's data-driven world. Whether you're managing personal finances, running a business, or conducting research, Excel provides the tools you need to succeed. So let's get started on this journey to mastering Excel. I bet you didn't know how powerful formulas in Excel can be. Imagine you're at a bustling marketplace and you need to quickly tally up the cost of all your purchases. Excel's formulas are like your trusty calculator, but with superpowers. From simple arithmetic to complex statistical analyses, these formulas make Excel an essential tool for both personal and professional use. Think of formulas as secret codes that instruct Excel on what to do with your data. They can automate repetitive tasks, minimize human error, and save you a ton of time. You can use formulas to add, subtract, multiply, divide, and perform many other mathematical operations. Picture this. You need to calculate the total sales for a month. Instead of manually adding each sale, you can use a simple addition formula to sum up all the figures. Let's say you have a list of numbers in a column, and you want to find the total. This is a common scenario in budgeting, accounting, and data analysis. Instead of manually adding each number, you can use the sum formula in Excel. This not only speeds up the process but also ensures accuracy. Just type =sum, and then select the range of cells containing the numbers you want to add. This range can be a few cells or an entire column, depending on your needs. Close the bracket and press Enter, and Excel will instantly calculate the sum for you. This immediate feedback allows you to quickly verify your data and make any necessary adjustments. Formulas can be as simple or as complex as you need them to be. Whether you're performing basic arithmetic or complex financial modeling, Excel has the tools to help you get the job done. Excel has a wide range of built-in functions for different calculations, such as calculating averages, finding the maximum or minimum value, and even performing statistical analysis. These functions can be combined in various ways to create powerful formulas that can handle almost any calculation you can think of. You can even create your own custom formulas to suit your specific needs. This flexibility allows you to tailor Excel to your unique requirements, making it a versatile tool for any task. By mastering the art of formulas, you can unlock the true potential of Excel and perform complex calculations with ease. This mastery not only enhances your productivity, but also empowers you to tackle more challenging projects with confidence. Additionally, formulas can be used in conjunction with other Excel features like conditional formatting. This allows you to highlight cells that meet certain criteria, making it easier to spot trends and outliers in your data. Formulas also play a crucial role in creating pivot tables, which are powerful tools for summarizing and analyzing large data sets. By using formulas within pivot tables, you can gain deeper insights into your data and make more informed decisions. Another advanced feature that benefits from formulas is data validation. By setting up rules and criteria, you can ensure that the data entered into your spreadsheet meets specific standards, reducing errors and maintaining data integrity. In summary, the power of formulas in Excel cannot be overstated. They are the backbone of many advanced features and functionalities, enabling you to perform a wide range of calculations and analyses with precision and efficiency. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced user, understanding and utilizing formulas in Excel will significantly enhance your ability to manage and analyze data. So, take the time to explore and practice using formulas, and you'll soon discover just how powerful Excel can be. This is gonna blow your mind! Welcome to Section 3, where we dive into the world of data visualization with charts and graphs. Imagine trying to explain your data with just numbers. It can be a bit like describing a rainbow to someone without using colors. That's where charts and graphs come in, turning those numbers into a visual story. Excel offers a treasure trove of chart options to help you tell your data's story in a clear and engaging way. For instance, a bar chart can vividly compare different categories, like monthly sales figures for various products. Picture it as a friendly competition between your data points. A pie chart, on the other hand, is perfect for showing proportions. Think of it as slicing a pie to see which department contributed the most to the total revenue. Line charts are your go-to for illustrating trends over time. Imagine tracking the stock price of a company, watching it rise and fall like a roller coaster over months or years. Creating these charts in Excel is a breeze. Just select your data, head to the Insert tab, and pick your chart type. It's like choosing the perfect frame for your picture. Excel will whip up the chart for you. And then you can add your personal touch by tweaking colors, adding labels, and more. It's like decorating a cake. By mastering charts and graphs, you can transform your data presentations into captivating stories that are not only insightful, but also persuasive. So, let's get visual and make your data shine. I bet you didn't know how powerful pivot tables can be for organizing your data. Picture this. You're staring at a massive Excel spreadsheet, and it feels like finding a needle in a haystack. But then, you remember the magic of pivot tables. Pivot tables are like your personal data detectives, helping you summarize, analyze, and explore large data sets effortlessly. Imagine you have a spreadsheet filled with sales transactions, dates, product names, sales amounts, and regions. With a pivot table, you can instantly see the total sales for each product, the average sales per month, or even the top-performing regions. To create a pivot table, just select the data you want to analyze, head over to the Insert tab, and click on Pivot Table. Excel will then guide you through selecting the fields you want to include and how you want to arrange them. Pivot tables are incredibly powerful tools for data analysis and reporting. They let you slice and dice your data in countless ways, revealing hidden patterns and insights that might otherwise go unnoticed. I bet you didn't know how powerful conditional formatting in Excel can be. Welcome to the final section of our Excel mastery journey, conditional formatting, highlighting what matters. Imagine you're sifting through a massive spreadsheet, trying to find those crucial data points. It's like searching for a needle in a haystack, right? Well, that's where conditional formatting comes to the rescue. Picture this. You need to highlight all cells with values above a certain threshold, or those pesky error cells. Conditional formatting can make these stand out like a beacon, helping you spot trends, outliers, or issues that need your immediate attention. Think of conditional formatting as your personal assistant. It sets rules that automatically apply formatting to cells meeting specific criteria, saving you time and ensuring your data looks consistent and professional. You can base these criteria on the cell's value, text, date, or even a formula. This flexibility allows you to customize your data presentation in countless ways. Imagine changing the cell's background color, font color, or adding icons. Different colors can represent various value ranges, or icons can indicate specific conditions, like up or down arrows for trends. This makes it a breeze to identify important data points, making your spreadsheets not only easier to read, but also more insightful. By visually distinguishing key information, you can make informed decisions and communicate your findings effectively. Let's dive into a real-world example. Imagine you're a teacher with a spreadsheet of student grades. It's crucial to quickly identify students who are excelling and those who might need extra support. You can use conditional formatting to highlight all grades above 90% in green. This makes it easy to see which students are performing exceptionally well. Grades between 70 and 90% can be highlighted in yellow, indicating satisfactory performance but also showing room for improvement. And grades below 70% can be highlighted in red, signaling that these students may need extra help or intervention. This makes it easy to see which students are excelling and which ones might need extra help. By using conditional formatting, educators can quickly assess student performance and take appropriate actions to support their students. Conditional formatting is a versatile tool that can be used for a wide range of purposes. Whether you're analyzing sales data, tracking project progress, or monitoring financial performance, conditional formatting can help you make sense of your data. From data analysis to data visualization, conditional formatting can transform raw data into meaningful insights. It allows you to create visual cues that highlight important information, making it easier to interpret and act upon. By mastering conditional formatting, you can make your spreadsheets more informative and visually appealing. This not only enhances your data analysis capabilities, but also improves the overall presentation and communication of your findings. So, go ahead and let your data tell its story. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Your support helps us create more content like this. Thank you for watching.